How can I automatically add tasks to my calendars? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. Please subscribe to our channel to get more daily tutorials. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new task created in Todoist. Then we'll be using all the details of that task in order to quick add an event in Google Calendar. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Todoist task to calendar event. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. Our triggering app is going to be Todoist. You can see it's down here in my recent apps section because I've used it recently. If you don't see the app you want down here, you can just type it in to our search bar. The event is going to be a new task created. We want to make sure we're connected to our Todoist account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps you use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. The project that I want this workflow to follow is my inbox. You would select whatever project within Todoist you want this workflow to monitor. And we'll test and see if there are any new tasks. So we have a new task here, our all-night brainstorm. We have a name of that event, we have a description, and then we have a date and time. So we can use that information in order to build our calendar event. So we'll click continue. For our action step, we're going to choose Google Calendar. The event is going to be quick add event. Again, we want to make sure we're connected to Google. The calendar ID that I want this event to appear on is my test calendar. And then the way things work with this quick add event is you can combine text you type in with details that came from our trigger. I'm going to say title and click on the plus sign. And I'm going to select the content, which is the title of the task. Click enter. I'm going to write description. Click the plus sign. Find the description. Click enter. Type date. Click the plus sign. And find the date. Now I'm going to do it in this format. And we'll click continue. And we'll test this action. And we have a success. We'll click continue. We can check Google Calendar, and you can see this event has been added to our calendar. So our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor. I see that this node has a red dot in the upper corner, so I'm going to click on it. And sometimes that's all it takes in order for that node to turn green. So now our workflow is ready to go. I can come over to the top corner, click on the activation button. And now whenever we have a new task created in Todoist, it will automatically turn into a quick add event in Google Calendar. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically turns tasks into calendar events. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.